This is why I'm glad I didn't get rid of my winter stuff from Indiana. We have a freak snowstorm here. We actually got inches of snow on the ground. 2 out of the 3 dogs have never seen snow, so they're a little wacko. And trying to pull all over the place. And it's still coming down. They've canceled school for tomorrow already, which would be the 3rd day in a row that they have been called out of school. So it's coming down like crazy. We're taking the dogs out in the snow. This guy was trying to photobomb my picture. She failed. And it's still coming down. Doggies are going potty.